Today, we are going to talk about common problems in writing adverbs. During examinations, candidates often face plenty of problems. For instance, runny use of adverbs. Here is the questions. Which is the following statements is correct? 1. We should run fast if we have to catch bus stopping at the bus stop. 2. We should run fastly if we have to catch bus stopping at the bus stop. The answer is statement 1. Fast, which is adverb, means say something happens without any delay. For example, they work extremely fast. Fast, which is adjective, means happening, moving, or doing something at great speed. For example, the fast car is with flashing lights. There are some adverbs and adjectives contain same spelling. For example, hard, H-A-R-D. If adverbs means work intensively with a lot of effort. For adjective means something that is hard is very firm and stiff to touch and is not easily bent. Hard, which is adjective. The ice is as hard as rock. I know that he has a hard life. George is hard to get along with. He gave the door a hard kick. She is too hard on her pupils. She is a hard worker. It was a hard winter. We confront him with hard facts. Hard, which is adverb. She tried hard but failed. It was raining hard. He held hard onto the roof. The old man is breathing hard. One misfortune followed hard on another. Hardly, which is adverb. My legs were so weak that I could hardly stand. He had hardly arrived when it began to snow. He could hardly pass in the examination. Late, which is adverb. In Chinese meaning, 晚了，遲到的了。Late 作為副詞嘅時候，表示晚了或者遲到了，通常會係置於句尾修飾句中動詞。For example, yesterday I went to school late. I got up late again. Late, which is adjective, means 遲到的。Late 亦都可以作為形容詞，表示晚的、遲的，通常會放喺 be 後面作為主詞嘅補語。For example, King's Glory Educational Center was set up in the late 1980s. Lately, which is adverb， 表示最近、近來，同 recently 嘅意思相近。Lately 通常用喺現在完成式。For example, Peter hasn't seen Gilbert lately. Remember, late has the same spelling in both adjective and adverb. Lately could be the another adverb form of late. Therefore, late, which is adverb, is not equal to lately. Later, which is adverb, 意思係 late 副詞嘅比較級，表示較遲的或者較晚地。For example, I called you later. Peter will move to Hong Kong a month later. Later, which is adjective, 意思即係解後者，通常用作代名詞，同冠詞 the 形成 the later 後者，而 the later 同 the former 前者形成對稱用法。For example, they are my best friends. The former is Mary. The later is Vicky. She has written 2 stories. The later one seems much better. Last, which is adjective, 表示最後的，係一個順序上最後嘅東西。For example, who is the last one entered the classroom? He was last to leave. Latest, which is adjective, 即係表示最新嘅，喺時間上最新發生嘅事物。For example, have you heard her latest song? I brought the latest version of the mobile phone. Writing task. Please fill in the blanks. Choose late, lately, later, later, last, or latest in the following sentence. Here are the answers. Good, which is adjective. It describes nouns or pronouns. It may be used with descriptive linking verbs. For example, look, feel, sound, taste, or be to describe the subject. For example, there is a good tutor for you to choose in the market. Well, which is adverb. It describes verbs or adjectives and is used with most other verbs. For example, he can sing well given some training from the best soprano teacher. Well, which is adjective, means healthy. For example, he is not very well today. Writing task 2. Which one is not correct? 1. The coffee tastes well in this morning. 2. The coffee tastes good in this morning. Which one is not correct? 1. He pitches good. 2. He pitches well. Which one is not correct? 1. I do not feel very good today. 2. I do not feel very well today. Proofreading exercise. Here are 5 sentences. Please proofread each of them and mark any mistakes. Here are the answers for proofreading task.